Yes, I'm doing great.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so good afternoon. Very good afternoon,
Good
Lalita.
afternoon.
So, how
Very
are
good
you?
afternoon. Yes, I'm doing great. I'm fit as a fiddle. What about you?
I am
How have
also
you been
good
doing?
and fit as a fiddle, and everything is going smoothly. And previous 4 or 5 days ago, I mailed you, but you
Yeah, actually
got
yesterday. Yeah,
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 but you
yeah.
got busy or tied
Late.
up little bit, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yeah,
tell me
yesterday I saw.
something more
Then I
about
messaged.
yourself.
Yeah, sure, yeah, sure. As you already know my name, I am Lalita. I was born and raised in Uttarakhand, but currently I'm living here in Noida. Now I'm connecting to you from Noida. And I have done my master's in English literature, and after that I did B.Ed.
Okay.
After B.Ed, I did a job also. I was a teacher. I used to teach in a school. But now I'm not teaching offline because I have a son. So the day he was born, I left my job. And recently, I have created my channel also. I have a channel where I upload English related
Yeah, I am
content.
aware of your channel. Nice.
Yes.
So,
And
how long have
so
you
after
been
creating,
started your channel?
it's been almost 9 to 10 months now.
Okay.
Yeah. And after creating this channel, I have started teaching online. So now I teach online.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's all
Which
about.
type of things you teach online? Which
Yeah,
kind
it's
of
all about the
yeah, stuff?
Yeah, it's all about spoken English, where we do practice of speaking, like
Yes.
sentence formation. It depends to person because each and every learner is different.
Yes.
So it's according to the requirements of the learner. Some they don't know how to frame sentences, but some of them they know how to frame sentences. So with them, I do different types of practice. So it depends which means what they want to learn,
Yes.
and
Yes.
according to their level I teach them like picture description activity and advanced vocabulary, but advanced vocabulary comes later if they are comfortable with the sentences.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hmm.
Because
So
advanced, if we talk about advanced vocabulary, it is a separately it a one thing.
hmm,
When you improve your English, general speaking, one-to-one
hmm,
conversation, so if you are not hesitated at all in front of
hmm,
others, so after that you should work
hmm,
on your
hmm,
vocabulary. Yes.
hmm,
Beside that, I would like to say that if we are beginner or
hmm,
initially in the initially level we started our English or we are starting our English presently,
hmm,
so I would say every person or every single aspirant should work firstly on your speaking English. Then they
hmm, hmm.
should go like na advanced word, advanced
Advanced.
phrases as advanced
Hmm, hmm,
substitution, all
hmm,
that
hmm.
things. So what would you
Definitely,
say
sure.
about this?
Yes, definitely. I totally agree with you. Actually, what happens now, when we are comfortable to speak basic English means day-to-day English. I'm going, I'm
Hmm,
sleeping,
hmm, hmm.
and the daily sentences which we are doing. If we are very comfortable and where we are comfortable, that means our tongue should be comfortable, our jaw muscle should be comfortable to speak the word. So
Yes.
if we are comfortable, our brain is comfortable with the language, so then we can take the word advanced vocabulary, it can be advanced vocabulary or idiom phrases very quickly. So we can learn quickly. But initially, if you want to means if you want to learn advanced vocabulary or if you want to use idiom phrases in our day-to-day conversation, so we feel like tired up and it's
Yes,
very
yes.
difficult to learn initially. If we are aware with the language, we are comfortable with the language like our mother tongue, then we can use it.
Yeah. Would you
Then we
love to
can use it.
listen about me? Yeah. Would you love to listen about me from where I am and all that things? So,
Definitely, definitely.
yeah.
Even, yeah, I want to know about
I
you.
would
Yeah,
love
what
to
do you do?
introduce myself. As you know that my name is Monica and I am from
Yeah.
MP, Gwalior,
Okay.
and I have done masters in English literature and
Great.
B.Ed honors from English and SST. And
Hmm.
presently I am running my YouTube channel and
Great.
try for the post of a teacher for the specific subject, as you know that English.
Hmm. Hmm.
In 2 or 3 schools I have applied and very soon I joined my specific job and I have
Hmm.
2 kids. And today I am presently I am working on my speaking skills as well.
Great,
And this is
great,
my passion for speaking, learning new things, new skills. This is my passion. So thanks for
great, great.
asking.
How long you have been learning? Yeah, yeah, great, great. Love to know about you. Actually, I feel very good when, especially mothers, ladies, they now they are starting and they are learning, and they are learning because they are working somewhere or they want to work. And when we want to work, and after that we can teach to our kids also. Means we get a spark from somewhere
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
because we want
Because
to teach our
yeah,
kids.
beside homemaker, we should need so independent
Hmm.
ourselves, be
Hmm.
independent because
Hmm.
nowadays everywhere it is a global world.
Hmm.
Everyone wants to learn more and more, and everyone wants to
Hmm.
earn more and more. So if you
Yes.
learn, then you can earn
Hi.
why your need, why your desires. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
so nowadays we are also living in this global world. So I thought in 2025 that because of so many responsibilities now,
Hmm.
especially homemakers, they have a lot of responsibility on their shoulders. Every time their plate is full. But beside that,
Definitely.
they also want to label up for
Hmm.
yourself, for themselves, because
Hmm. Hmm.
they also have a solid identity in the society.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I suggest, actually, I thought in 2025, in the month of October, I started my channel and thought
Great.
I should do something like
Hmm.
inspiring so many YouTubers famous nowadays,
Definitely.
like
Hmm.
Neha
Hmm.
Rana ma'am. You know Neha
Hmm.
Rana's
Yes. 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 Yeah.
Himachali tutor, like
Yes. Yes.
their
Yes.
channel.
Yes.
Her channel is growing very nicely, and
Yes.
I
Yes.
inspired from those ladies. So I also
Great.
determined at that day I should also do something for myself or my own identity. And
Hmm. Hmm.
it is very nice and great to me. And I'm working on that
Definitely.
nowadays. Yes.
Yes, definitely. I can see you are doing great. And this is the process. Actually, this is a learning process. And every day we learn something and then we can improve. And gradually we can go forward. So
Yeah.
it's a learning journey.
Yeah, it's a learning journey, and slowly and
Yeah.
gradually, we can learn. Not
Hmm.
everyone, not perfect. Everyone does not perfect in a day or in a month.
Hmm.
It
In a
takes
month.
time. This language always takes time, because I know when before getting married, 2018,
Hmm.
I got married, and before my marriage, I taught in a school, private CBSE school, and
Hmm.
I taught there since 5 or 6 years. 6 years I taught
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
there, and it's my own personal experience that uh, if anybody don't want to speak in English, they are hesitated in front of you. But if you speak in English, so you should motivate others also. Why
Hmm.
your
Definitely.
behavior, why your skills, because now many persons want to speak English, or want to have a good spirit. They want, but
Hmm.
they have a little bit nervousness, little bit
Hmm.
like hesitation
Hmm.
of their own personality. That's why they are
Hmm.
not they couldn't able to speak English in front of
Hmm.
public, like na,
People.
in front of
Yeah. Yeah.
their public friend circles and others also.
Hmm. Hmm.
So have you
Definitely. Yeah.
any,
Yeah.
yeah, have you any topic, and any particular topic you have?
Yeah, if you have, we can discuss about it. Actually,
Yeah.
just I saw your message, and otherwise, I can talk about any random topic. I don't have means such kind of problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have a
So, have you
topic.
ever faced? Yeah, have you ever faced any difficulties like when you have given? You already mentioned like you have given some interviews, and I think you are waiting for your call. You applied, no? Recently, you told me
Yeah,
you
I
applied for
recently
the.
applied, and in
Yeah.
KBS, if I talk about
Hmm.
KBS schools are very renowned school in every state, I
Hmm.
would
Hmm.
say. And I actually in the month of February, I will go there for the interview,
Hmm.
and they
Hmm.
call me. They will call me. Then I go.
Hmm.
Recently, I have submitted my CV for applying teaching post, and if there is any recruitment for the teacher, they definitely call me for the interview.
Hmm. So now
And
your kids have grown up, like they can manage themselves.
yeah, my kids is one is the elder one is 6 years old plus, and my younger one is 3.5 years old. They
Oh.
both are
Oh.
boys, so they are very naughty, and every time
Hmm.
I will be busy there.
Yeah, I can
I will
totally
say.
understand, totally resonate
And but on
because
the
I have
other
a son
hand,
also.
I actually I live in a joint family, so there are my
Hmm.
mother-in-law is very helpful, and she
Hmm.
always support me. So if I
Hmm.
go and go outside for working, so she
Hmm.
definitely take care of my
Take care. Yeah,
siblings.
yeah.
Yeah,
Obviously, yeah. If you have a someone like who can support us, so obviously it helps us, and it gives us
yeah,
motivation also, because it happens now when we have a kid. So every time we are pondering about them, what will happen. But at
yes,
least
yes.
if we have someone who can take care of them, so at least we can go, means we are relaxed by our mind.
Wire one. We are also free by our mind, because
Hmm.
we know that our kids are in the safe hands. There no harm
Hmm.
for them.
Safe.
Nah, this
Yeah,
is
yeah,
also very
definitely.
necessary.
Hmm.
If we do anything else, we didn't take proper attention on that work, so it is not good,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
because now every time in our mind is going on, what are they doing, what are they doing
Hmm.
at home.
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
literally there is a support should be necessary in our family
Hmm.
if we do
Definitely.
a job or anywhere else, going outside. So you should there is any someone who takes care for your kids or
Hmm.
nice.
Yeah,
Yes,
especially our family members. If we have family members, so we means we can totally believe on them blindly. We can believe on them.
yeah,
Otherwise, it's very difficult for, especially for a mother, to go out and do somewhere, do
yes, yes.
something.
Are
Like
you
especially for
living in nuclear family or joint family?
Here, no, here we are. I'm living in a nuclear family, so me only, because my husband obviously he's working. So that's why now I'm not doing anything offline. So that's why I'm doing online. Whatever I do,
Yeah.
so teaching online, and
Okay.
yeah,
So how old
created.
your son or your daughter you
Now
have
he's 7. Now he's 7.
now?
But still, yeah, I have to, means because nobody is there, na, so at least I means every
Yeah.
time you cannot leave them, because still even they are 7 year olds. Now he's 7 year old. But as a mother, it's our responsibility. I have to see, means what he's doing, and he's not able. Suppose if I'm not here, so he's not able to open the lock and all, come inside, and after that, so
Yes, yes.
it's yeah, still
Everything
means
is
he, yeah.
managing for the hand by mother, because mother is
Hmm.
a mother is up. We can say like na like a second god of kids,
Hmm.
because
Yes.
God
So
is
they are.
everywhere and they always
Hmm.
protect kids and always protect
Hmm.
their siblings. We
Hmm.
all are siblings for the God, but
Hmm.
secondly, I would say mother is the second God
Hmm.
for
Yeah.
kids,
Yes.
especially for kids, because
Definitely. Yeah.
without
Even
any intention, without any this is a selfless
self.
service for
Hmm.
mother
Hmm.
actually.
Hmm. Hmm.
I know very well when at that time when my elder son I blessed with my elder son in 2019, and he's
Hmm.
very tender at that time. He was very tender, and
Hmm.
literally this is the first experience when we are going to further our journey as a parent.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
I realized that how it is difficult. It is a
Hmm.
that is one of the important tasks which is very difficult in your life,
Hmm.
parenting journey.
Yeah.
So what
Even
would
they
you
are
say
grown
about
up,
parent
like
journey?
6 years, 7 year, but still I cannot leave them. Means I cannot leave him even. And I think parents, as a parents, we all are. We cannot leave them. Even they grown up like 7 year, 8 year, because still they need,
Yes, yes,
isn't it?
obviously,
Yeah.
obviously they
Hmm.
need, because on the other hand, if we didn't take care of themselves very nicely, or if we will ignore their priorities, so
Hmm.
when they grown up slowly or gradually, they also ignored us. They also ignore,
Definitely.
because we are. parents, and we knows very well what are the priorities of our kids at this time.
Hmm.
And this is the
Definitely.
conventional age of there's a 6 to 10 years age is the conventional age,
Hmm.
as I
Hmm.
previously
You
read
have read.
about in CTET examination.
Yes.
I
Yes.
forget to tell you that I have a qualified CTET examination for the teaching
Okay.
purpose. This is the most
Great.
important exam.
Hmm.
Actually,
I
yeah,
also cleared
you
my CTET in 2020.
okay.
Yeah.
2020 you have passed?
Yeah. Yes, I have
O-
cleared my CTET.
Okay, both exams.
Yes, both.
Okay, okay. Same
Yeah.
here. We both are the same page actually,
Hmm.
Lalita. So I
Hmm.
would like to say that when we go through for the interview at any KBS school, if I talk about especially KBS, they required KBS CTET qualified teachers.
Hmm.
They
Even
always
nowadays,
required.
each and every private school, means it's
Hmm.
mandatory.
It is mandatory now. It is mandatory
Yeah.
from
Hmm.
2014. Since 2014 till in present time, it is
Hmm.
must because when I
Hmm.
taught there in 2014, I have to. My principal sir is told me it is compulsory and you have to
Hmm.
qualify this exam by hook
Qualify.
or by crook. So
Hmm.
I had tried 2 or 3 times. Like now, when my
Hmm.
hometown is in UP. Agra. So
Hmm. Hmm.
I got there 2 or 3 exams UP TET, but it is not qualified by me because na
Hmm.
lateness of time. Actually, I was in the job at that time, so I didn't get
Hmm.
some na like plenty of time for my studies.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
that's why I didn't crack UP TET. After getting
Hmm.
married, I thought I have a good opportunity for cracking
Hmm.
CTET exam actually. So I tried CTET exam in the first attempt. I tried, and with the grace of God, it is qualified
Hmm. Yeah.
both
Yeah. I
section.
also. Yeah. Yeah. It's yeah. We have a means plus point if we want to go for a teaching job, so we can now.
Yes, yes, yes.
Isn't?
Right.
Yeah, same. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
last time it was offline exam, I think 2020. So at that time I have given.
Okay, offline exam. Yeah, yeah. In my time,
Yeah.
also offline. CTET is also conducted offline, online. Now it is conducted
Yeah,
offline
now
or
can yeah.
online? I didn't
Hmm.
know.
Now it's now I think it's online. But
Online.
at that time, yeah.
Hmm.
But at that time,
Yeah,
yeah.
in 2020, 20 or 21, I have cracked this exam, CTET exam, and there are syllabus even in KBS schools. There is no tough syllabus by the
Hmm.
management. They carries
Hmm.
only NCRT books,
NCERT.
and
Hmm. So
NCRT
now,
is very
hmm.
not very hard.
Easy.
We can say
Hmm.
moderate level
Moderate
they
level.
have. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
So
in which
now you
school
are preparing.
you teach? In which school you taught there?
Now here not in Noida when at that time I was in Uttarakhand. So in Uttarakhand I was in Haldwani. So I taught in a CBSE school. I used to
Okay.
teach almost 3 to 4 years, even more
Okay.
than I taught in a two different schools.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So I was as a TGT, social science, especially even at that time I used to take social science because I
Okay.
think you are aware when we have a combination of English and social science.
Yes. 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 Yes.
In yeah, I have a yeah, I had that subject, two subject, major subject when I did my BH.
Hmm.
So I had two major subject, English and social science.
Okay. So Lalita, I have some questions. So are you
Yes,
interested to
yes,
share with
you can.
me?
Yes, yes, you can.
Yes,
You can
yes.
ask. You can ask. Yeah.
So further, before starting the question, I would like to say that these questions are very familiar, and
Hmm.
we actually we have enough knowledge, so we can convey a message for our
Yes,
audience or for
definitely.
our viewers.
Hmm.
Na? So my
Hmm.
first question is, do you think English is very necessary nowadays? If it is necessary, why? What is the reason behind
Hmm.
of it? Please let me know.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, actually, yeah, definitely. I think English is very necessary because it's a need of the hour, and you can see in especially in India. In India, it's more than that. If people consider it as a skill because for us it's a second language, and it's important even. If I take example even for a homemaker, like if we are a homemaker, so if we want to order something, so any site whenever you will go, it can be Amazon, it can be Blinkit, so each and every site is in English. Even suppose if I want to order a salt, so how can I order if I don't know how to write, what to write, if I don't know how to read. So it's very mandatory for us to mingle up with the language, to know the language. And suppose if I'm going to the parents teacher meeting with my son and I don't know how to communicate, how to speak, what to say. So how can I say my message to the teacher? How can I convey my thoughts to the teacher? So at that time I we feel inferior. So these are the very basic example, but more than that, it's needed everywhere. Either you go for a meeting, parents gathering, and means interview any MNCs. If anybody is working in MNC multinational companies, so they are struggling. Even they are struggling because of the English. They have
Yes, yes.
degrees, but they don't have the skill because this is not a even language. This is skill,
Yes,
and it
definitely.
comes, it's in India especially, it comes because of practices, and we feel difficulty or we feel deficiency because we never practiced this language.
Yes,
If
yes.
my jaw muscles are comfortable to speak the word, to say the word, if suppose if I'm not speaking English, so that means I'm not giving training to my jaw muscles, and when I will speak they will not support me because I never trained them.
Yes, yes, yes. Because
So
I
how
never
much.
try to speak this language. I always try in my
Hmm.
mother tongue. And
Mother
everybody
tongue
wants,
now.
yeah, everybody
Hmm.
wants to be live in a comfortable zone. Comfortable zone, you
Hmm.
know.
Hmm.
If we not work hard, if we didn't get out from our comfort zone, we couldn't do anything. We couldn't learn
Hmm.
anything. Because
Yes.
hard
Correct.
working is must there. Yes.
Must. Hardworking and means work accordingly. According means we have to do for learning speaking, and for learning this language we have to do some practices so that we can learn fast, quickly we can learn, but at least we have to spend some time.
Yes,
Without
yes.
spending time, it's not possible. Even though we can listen, even though we are reading, even though we are listening to people, we are watching to people, but still, if I will not give training to my muscle,
Muscles.
so how can I pronounce the word?
Yes, yes. Because
So,
we are not the habitual of this language by speaking language. So
hmm,
we have to do exercise like we
hmm,
like we do in everyday life.